Hello children, in this video we will learn about water. So water is a precious gift of nature. Like food, water is also one of our basic needs. All living things need water to live. So children, can you tell me some of the uses of water? Every day you use so much water. So what are the uses of water? We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, watering plants, putting out a fire. These are some of the uses of water. Once again I will repeat: drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, watering plants, and putting out a fire. These are some of the uses of water. Then water, animals also need water. So animals need water for drinking and bathing, and some of the animals live in water. Can you tell me children some of the water animals name? Yes, water animals: fish, octopus, crab, starfish, turtle. All these are some of the water animals, and these animals, they live in water. Then plants also need water. So plants need water to make their food. So which part of the plant make food? Do you know children? The leaves. The leaves of a plant make the food for the plant. Then some plants grow in water. So like your lotus and water lily, they grow only in water. And in your book, page 19, one activities are given. Here you should write 6 examples of activities that we do with water. So here you write 6 uses of water. Now, sources of water. Sources of water means from where do we get water? So, from where do we get water, children? Do you know? Rain. Rain is the main source of water. So, what is rain? Rain is drops of water that fall from the clouds. So, if we do not get enough rain, we will not get enough water. So, rain water gets collected in lake, river and ponds. And some of the rainwater goes deep into the ground. That underground water we get through hand pumps and well. And people make hand pumps and well to get the underground water. So in village you can see wells and hand pumps also. You can see here also, and village also they make hand pumps and wells. Then water from, how do we get water at home? So water from these water resources, especially from rivers and lakes, is collected in big storage tanks. It is then cleaned and sent to our homes through pipes. So at home we get water from this tap. It is very important to store water properly. The containers used to store water must be clean. Do not throw waste in or near water. Drinking unclean water will make us sick. Now, properties of water. Properties of water means some features of water. Water is colorless, means water has no color. Then water has no taste or smell. Then water has no shape. It takes the shape of the container. So, what are the properties of water? Water is colorless. Water has no taste or smell. Water has no shape. Now next is one important point, how to save water. So water is very important for our life. We must not waste water. So how to save water? So take only as much water you need. So when you want to drink water, you take 1 glass of water, you drink only half of that, then half of the glass you throw it. So you should not do that. As much water you want, if you want half glass, you take only that much. Then use a bucket to have a bath. So instead of having bath under the shower, you can use a bucket and mug to take bath. Then turn off the tap when not in use. Don't keep the tap open and waste water. Then reuse of water. Reuse water coming out from washing machines to flush the toilet. So you can use that water comes from washing machine to flush the toilet. Like that, we can use the kitchen water. It means the water after washing fruits and vegetables, you get water, no? That water you can use for watering the plants. So these are some of the ways which you can save water. Now we will see the exercise part, some of the question answers we will discuss. Name any 2 uses of water. Here you learned 7 uses of water. From this you can write any 2. Drinking, cooking, like that any 2 you write. How can we keep the sources of water clean? So how can we keep the sources of water clean? We should not throw waste in or near the sources of water. Then write 4 sources of water. So here 6 sources of water are there. So you can write any 4. Rain, lake, river, pond. You write any 4. Then write any 2 ways in which we can reuse water. So water coming out from washing machines we can use to flush the toilet. Water from the kitchen we can use to water the plants. Now children, color the pictures in which you can store water. Take page number 22. Here some pictures are given and only color the picture in which you can store water. So here pot is there, then syntax tank is there, bucket, bottle. All these 4 things you can store water, you can color it. So children, now you read the chapter and learn the question answers, fill in the blanks, everything, and you prepare well. Thank you children.